Are you ready to take the leap and start a new life overseas? Before you pack your bags and head to the airport, there's one thing that can make or break your move: preparation. Moving abroad isn't just about getting on a plane. It's about making sure you've covered all the details that will help you land smoothly, settle quickly, and avoid costly surprises. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate final checklist for Americans moving overseas. Think of this as your step-by-step playbook to get everything in order before the big move. First thing first, your travel documents. These are the non-negotiables, the essentials you absolutely must have in order before you board that plane. Check your passport early. Most countries require that it be valid for at least 6 months beyond your arrival date. If your passport is close to expiring, renew it now. Processing times can take weeks. Also, confirm you have blank visa pages. Some countries won't let you in if your passport is full, even if it's still valid. Research your destination's entry requirements. Some countries let Americans stay visa-free for 30, 90, or even 180 days. Others require you to apply for a visa or residence permit before arrival. Don't assume you can sort all this out on arrival. Many governments require approval in advance. Print and carry all documentation confirming your status. For digital and physical copies, back everything up. Scan your passport, visa, and important documents. Save them in secure cloud storage, carry a USB stick, and print paper copies for your carry-on. Bonus tip: take a screenshot of your e-visa or appointment confirmation. The internet may be unreliable at the border, and having proof handy can save you serious headaches. Next, let's talk about money. Financial preparation can make the difference between smooth landing and a stressful first week abroad. Setting things up before you leave ensures you can pay for essentials, avoid frozen accounts, and handle unexpected situations. Let your bank and credit card companies know about your move. Without a travel notice or international flag, foreign transactions can trigger fraud alerts, leaving your account temporarily blocked. Open an account with low international fees. Research global banks or online options with minimum foreign transaction charges. Many expats use Wise, Revolt, or a Charles Schwab debit card, all of which offer competitive exchange rates and reimbursed ATM fees. Carry at least one credit card with you with no international transaction fees. Cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred or my personal favorite, Capital One Venture, are popular choices. Bring a small amount of local currency for your destination, or euros if traveling through Europe. This covers taxis, snacks, or tips when you first land. Always keep $200 to $300 in small bills tucked on your person. If ATMs are down, your card fails, or you're in a remote area, this safety net ensures you won't be stranded. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more and tap the notification bell so you're always first to know when a new video drops. Health should never be an afterthought when preparing for an international move. Too many travelers make the mistakes of focusing only on paperwork or packing, and then find themselves scrambling when they can't access the care they need. Think ahead and protect yourself before you step on the plane. Always bring at least a month's supply of your medication, ideally more if your doctor allows. Not every drug is available abroad, and even familiar brands may go by different names. Carry them in original packaging with a copy of your prescription. Book a complete physical before leaving, and don't forget dental or vision appointments. Ask Ask your providers for printed or digital copies of your records. Having this documentation saves time and stress if you need care overseas. U.S. insurance rarely applies outside the country. Explore safety or global health insurance plans from companies like SafetyWing or Cigna Global. These can cover emergencies, doctor visits, and even long-term needs. Keep your vaccination cards and copies of country-specific requirements handy. COVID-19 proof and other shots like yellow fever or hepatitis may be required for entry. Staying covered means peace of mind from day one. Technology is your lifeline when moving abroad, and the right preparation ensures you don't feel cut off the moment you land. Taking a few small steps before departure can save you stress and money later. Contact your carrier before leaving to make sure your phone is unlocked. This allows you to easily swap in a local SIM card or use an eSIM plan. Without this, you may be stuck with paying expensive roaming charges. Load your phone with the tools you rely on daily. A travel VPN for secure browsing, Google Translate or DeepL for quick communication, offline maps like map.me, ride-sharing apps like Uber or Bolt, and messaging apps such as WhatsApp or Signal to stay connected with friends and family. Research options before you arrive. Many countries now support eSIMs that can be activated instantly, sometimes even before your plane lands. Logging in from another country can trigger security blocks. Enable two-factor authentication, add backup recovery methods, and whitelist your devices. By prepping your tech, you'll step off the plane ready to navigate, connect, and settle in with confidence. Packing for an international move doesn't have to be overwhelming if you plan ahead and stay organized. Smart packing reduces stress, avoid costly mistakes, and ensures you have what you need right when you need it. Always keep the most essential items in your carry-on. This includes passport, phone, key documents, chargers, prescription, and at least one change of clothes. If your checked baggage is delayed, you'll still be able to function on arrival. Tangles and missing adapters can waste precious time. Organize cables, chargers, and devices by room or function: office, kitchen, bedroom. Use resealable bags or pouches. Don't forget universal adapters or country-specific plugs. These are lifesavers. International airlines often have stricter baggage rules. Know the weight limit and size limit before arriving at the airport. A small luggage scale at home can save you from surprise fees. If you're shipping furniture, appliances, or valuables separately, take photos and write down serial numbers. This is essential for custom paperwork and insurance claim. Custom officials still prefer paper. Include a passport copy, visa paperwork, emergency contacts, and your new address abroad. A simple folder can speed up check-ins and ease border crossing. Now, let's cover your home base, housing, and mail. These details often slip to the bottom of the checklist, but they're critical for a smooth transition. Taking care of them before you leave means less stress later. Double check your lease, move-in dates, keys, and contracts. Miscommunication here can leave you stranded after a long flight. Ask your landlord or agent for written confirmation and make sure you know who will meet you with the keys. If there's a gap before your permanent place is ready, line up short-term housing in advance. Platforms like Airbnb or Booking.com can provide flexible options. Staying in the neighborhood you're considering for long-term living can also give you a feel for the area. Don't keep paying for services you won't need. Call utility providers internet companies, and streaming services to either cancel or suspend your accounts. This prevents surprise bills. The UPS can forward mail, but that only lasts for a limited time. A more reliable option is setting up a virtual mailbox, which lets you view, scan, and manage mail online. This ensures you never miss important documents while abroad. Even when you move abroad, your connections in the US don't just disappear. In fact, keeping certain legal ties in place can protect you, your finances, and your peace of mind. A little planning ensures you're covered if issues pop up back home. Assign someone you trust, like a spouse, sibling, or close friend, to act on your behalf. This allows them to handle banking, property, or legal issues while you're away. Without it, even simple tasks can become complicated. Let the IRS know about your move so you don't miss important tax correspondence. Set up UPS forwarding, but also consider a long-term solution such as the virtual mailbox. This ensures you stay on top of official mail. Share your overseas address and phone number with trusted family members. In case of emergency, they'll know how to reach you or provide accurate information to authorities. Upload scanned copies of vital documents into secure cloud storage. That way, you can access them from anywhere and have backups if originals are lost. Moving abroad isn't just about paperwork and packing, it's about preparing yourself mentally and emotionally for an entirely new way of life. Logistics may get you on the plane, but your mindset is what keeps you thriving once you arrive. Join expat groups online, platforms like Facebook groups, Meetup, and Internations are excellent for finding communities of people who've already been through the process. They can share advice, answer your questions, and even become your first circle of friends abroad. Start learning the language. Even a few phrases can make a huge difference. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or HelloTalk let you practice daily and build confidence. Locals will appreciate the effort, even if you're not fluent. The first few weeks may feel overwhelming or isolating, and that's normal. Culture shock is a common experience, but it tends to fade as you establish routines and form connections. Don't expect everything to click instantly. How to Relocate Abroad gives you the guidance you need to plan with confidence. Grab your copy now and save 50% by using the code READY2GO. This offer is only for the next 100 people. Last but not least, safety. No matter how exciting your move is, staying aware and practicing street smarts will keep you confident and secure. No local scams. Every country has its common tricks. Before you go, research scam specifics to your destination, whether it's overpriced taxis, fake officials, or helpful strangers leading you someplace unsafe. Knowing what to expect helps you avoid being caught off guard. Always opt for official taxis or well-established rideshare apps like Uber, Bolt, or Lyft. In some cities, licensed cabs have unique markings. Learn to recognize them. Avoid unmarked vehicles offering cheap prices. Don't carry your passport everywhere. Instead, bring a local ID if available or a photocopy of your passport. Store the original in a secure place like a safe. Flashing cash, jewelry, or expensive gadget makes you a target. Dress modestly, keep your belongings close, and try to mirror how locals carry themselves in public. If something feels off, it probably is. Whether it's a deal that sounds too good to be true or a street that feels unsafe, walk away. Awareness and intuition are your best defenses. So there you have it. The ultimate final checklist for Americans preparing to move overseas. From passports to packing, housing to health insurance, every step you take now sets you up for a smoother landing abroad. Moving isn't just about where you're going, it's about preparing for the life you'll live once you get there. Now, of course, the most important thing is your documents. So check out this video where I share all the documents you need before you get ready to leave. Click on this now, and I'll see you there.